You know, when it comes to burning calories and losing weight, the treadmill often gets a bad rap. People think it's just a monotonous machine, a conveyor belt of boredom, but if you really dig into it, the treadmill can be your best friend in the weight loss journey. Let me share 6 ways you can turn that simple piece of equipment into a calorie-torching powerhouse. First off, let's talk about interval training. This is where you alternate between high-intensity bursts and lower-intensity recovery periods. Picture this. You sprint for 30 seconds, then walk for a minute. Repeat that several times. It's like a roller coaster for your heart rate, and trust me, your body will thank you later. Not only does it keep things interesting, but it also revs up your metabolism long after you've stepped off the machine. Next, incline walking is a game changer. Instead of just plodding along on a flat surface, crank up that incline. Walking at a steep angle engages your glutes, hamstrings, and calves more than flat walking ever could. It's like hiking, but without the bugs and the unpredictable weather. You'll be burning calories like a furnace, while also building strength. Then there's the classic steady-state cardio. Sometimes you just want to zone out and get lost in your thoughts. Put on your favorite playlist or podcast, set the treadmill to a comfortable pace, and just go. It's not flashy, but it's effective. You can maintain a steady burn for a longer duration, and that consistency adds up over time. Let's not forget about adding weights. You can hold light dumbbells while you walk or jog. It's a simple tweak, but it increases the intensity of your workout. Your arms get a workout, your core engages to stabilize, and you're burning more calories than you would without them. Just be careful not to overdo it. You want to maintain good form. Another method is to incorporate walking lunges or side shuffles. Yes, you can get creative on that treadmill. These movements engage different muscle groups and elevate your heart rate. It's like a mini workout party, and it breaks the monotony of just walking or running in a straight line. Finally, let's talk about duration. If you can carve out time for longer sessions, do it. The longer you're on that treadmill, the more calories you'll burn. Just make sure to listen to your body. It's about finding that sweet spot where you're challenging yourself but not overdoing it. So, there you have it. The treadmill isn't just a machine. It's a versatile tool in your weight loss arsenal. With a little creativity and determination, you can turn those minutes into something powerful.